Good day, ladies and gentlemen. This is your boy Botshelo Sello. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So for tonight, we're gonna check our weekly review. We're gonna check the pairs that we did the analysis on Monday. We're gonna see how far they're going. So the first one we're gonna check is gold. Let's just check on gold. If you remember correctly, on Monday, it hadn't broken the structure here, so it did break and it came for a retest. That's when I entered the trade. Now we're going to the upside. Let me just go down to the smaller time frame so I can show you what happened. If you remember correctly, it was somewhere here. It hadn't broken the structure. Let me just remove this so you can see it clearly, because it's disturbing. If you remember, the price was somewhere here, so it did break and it did come for a retest, and that's when I entered the trade. Let me just go down to the 4-hour time frame so you can see it clearly. This is the 4-hour time frame. So the structure, it broke the structure here, went up, came down and came for a retest. That's when I entered my trade. I'm still in this trade. I'm gonna go down to the smaller time frame to see what's happening here. Let me just go down to the 15-minute time frame. As you can see here, we can still get another entry because this is a triangle, a continuation pattern to the upside. Not sure if it had broke the structure yet, but let me just show you guys what I can see here on this is the 15-minute time frame. This is the 15-minute time frame. So if you didn't get an entry, you can get an entry here, because I'm also going to go in with my second entry on gold, because this is a nice structure. This is a nice structure for so on this trade I'll be looking for a buy entry. But if it rejects on this trend line, and it might do something like this, it might come for a third touch. That's when I'll go in with my risk entry. Then it will go up. This is what might happen, because this is a triangle. We're expecting a move to the upside. If it doesn't do that, I have two scenarios. I'll just wait for it to break again, then come for a retest. Then that's when I'll enter my trade. Then I know that we going to the upside. So those are my two scenarios for gold. It's either it can come here and do a third touch, then that's when I'll go in with my risk entry, or it breaks the structure, wait for it to come for a retest, then after coming for a retest, that's when I enter my second trade. Then we're going up with it. So far gold is going the way we predicted. So let's check the other two pairs. The other pair we're gonna check is Euro CAD. Let me go down to the smaller time frame. So if you remember correctly, we had this on Monday, a continuation pattern, but I went in the trade and it took me out, because if you remember correctly, I showed you that the price broke here, came for a retest. That's when I entered my trade. Then it went up, put my profits to break even, started to reject, it came and took me out. So I couldn't enter on this trade until I saw this pattern here. But the problem is, you see this is a nice triangle also. This is the 1 hour time frame. So I was expecting a third touch here, then I can move up with it, but as you can see it is rejecting, so I just have to evolve the pattern. Let me just go down to the 15-minute time frame. So I was expecting to buy here on this one, on this candlestick that rejected, but I had to wait for the 1 hour time frame. So it's gonna close after 9 minutes. So the way I see it, I won't be able to get the entry because I was supposed to get an entry here, but as you can see the momentum for this pair is to the downside. So I just have to reanalyze this pair here to see what is actually happening here. So let me just do this, and maybe we can see something else. Maybe we can see, let's just do this. Maybe there's something else we see. Or maybe it might come here. This is my prediction. It might come here, go up, then come back again, then that's when you can go to the upside, because this pattern here that is happening, this is a triangle. So in a triangle we expect the movement to the upside, but the way it broke here, it broke heavily, so meaning that the sellers have a strong momentum to the downside. So we just have to wait and see what's gonna happen here. But obviously I'm just gonna have to evolve the pattern. So I'm just going to evolve this pattern here, and after it closes I just have to evolve my pattern. Maybe it can do something like this. We'll just have to wait and see, but still, as you can see, this is a nice triangle. This is a nice triangle. So let's just wait for it, not rush it, and see what's gonna happen. So the last pair we're gonna check is AUD cat. AUD cat, as you remember correctly, we had a continuation pattern to the upside. As you can see, this is what we have. Still also waiting for an entry on this trade. This is the 4-hour structure. As you can see, it's a continuation pattern to the upside, but I also did see a pattern here on the smaller time frame. I'll just go down to the smaller time frame so I can show you what I am seeing here on the 15-minute time frame. So this week didn't trade a lot because my pairs are not ready yet. As you can see, this is the 15-minute time frame. Just saw a small structure, but I don't like these small structures. I'll just have to wait because it's a Friday. Don't like to place trades on Friday, so I'll just have to wait for it. Maybe trade to come and move and break this structure, this bigger structure. I just want to show you. I will just wait for it to come and break this bigger structure here. After it breaks, obviously we know it's gonna come for a retest, then that's when we can put our buy entries, then we know that we're going to the upside. But for now I'll just have to wait because it's a Friday. Don't like to place trades on Friday. So I hope you guys that saw the analysis we did on Tuesday, if you saw some entries on gold, I'm sure you're still eating. If not, there there's still entries that we can go in, but let's just wait for the structure here. Let's just wait for the structure. See, it's kind of rejecting. It might come here. Maybe we can get our entry on Tuesday or Monday, but we just have to wait. I'll see if I get an entry today. Obviously, I'll take it because I already have an entry. So I'll go in with my second entry here. So thank you guys for watching my YouTube channel. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you guys. Enjoy your day.